Hey guys, Jefferson here, and this is DEETRUST 3-piece men's slim fit suit. I want to thank DEETRUST for providing this suit in exchange for an honest review. I have owned a few suits and this is definitely one of my favorites. I was surprised on how well this fit, especially since I usually have to get my suits tailored to get a good fit. I may still get my pants hemmed for a better fit, but this is definitely acceptable considering this is just an off-the-shelf suit. Let's do a quick unboxing to show you what comes included. Everything in this set comes in this clear package. This comes with a washing and maintenance instruction guide for this suit. Everything is folded within the jacket, and here are the pants. I love how thick the fabric feels, and I love how it has built-in expandable hips to accommodate different sizes. Here's the included vest with a really nice button that has a glossy edge which makes it look classy. The vest also has a built-in pocket square. That's a nice touch. Here's the included necktie which has a slight pattern to it, which is really nice. It makes it stand out. And if you're wondering, this is long enough to make a double Windsor knot. For reference, I'm 5'5". Last but not least, here's the suit jacket. The quality feels great. This too has a built-in pocket square, just like the vest. The pockets and vents are stitched as usual, so make sure you clip these before going out. I recommend using scissors, but I was able to just rip it using my hands. Let's put this suit on and show you what it looks like. For reference, I weigh about 180 to 190 pounds, and again, I'm about 5'5". I don't think I did the best putting this on by myself since my collar is kind of puffing out, but overall, I love this suit. It looks great, quality feels fantastic, and the fit and finish relatively looks great. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I will likely get my pants hemmed. They are a little long, but unfortunately, that's typical for any type of suit I purchase. Make sure you rip out your pockets and your vents, but all in all, I really love this thing. The only downside to this suit is it is recommended to dry clean only, and it's only recommended to have it washed, or should I say dry cleaned 3 times a year. So that's just going to be the only downfall for it. That's all I got, guys. Like always, have a beautiful day.